we're going to try out our two different powders. This is our first time using our matcha tools that we got from TikTok shop. So the reason why bumili kami ng mga ganito is because yung frother namin was so powerful na kahit onting froth pa lang namin, sobrang nagiging foamy na siya. I kinda actually don't like it anymore that it's too foamy. We're going to try with a whisk. This is just plastic, pero yung kasama ng buong set na to is bamboo. But I bought plastic because I'm scared na mag-mold siya sa Baguio. So this is what we're gonna use first. I can't believe 600 lang siya. It's so nice. Ang ganda ng kulay niya and yung quality. The milk we're gonna use today is Oatly. We've been to so many stores talaga, online and offline, and we couldn't find Oatside. But good thing we found Oatly because this is also something I wanted to try but I couldn't find in Baguio. Powders we're going to try today is Kyoto Premium Uji Matcha. This one was from Little Matcha Studio. This is 1,150 for 30 grams. And then this one is Soba Matsu 1,200 for 100 grams. So, medyo malayo yung per gram price niya, but I like both of them naman. Okay, let's try to make with our new setup. It's my first time to use, so hindi ko pa nakuha yung technique. Mag-start muna tayo with the Soba Matsu. Oh, I'm just gonna use the same recipe, same measurements that I used before, so I don't want to say all of that anymore. I forgot to use this. Next time, tutunan ko, circle muna. Okay, di ba dapat yung wrist lang yung gumagalaw? Bakit malaki yung bubbles nito? Kulang pa tayo sa tutorial. Maganda yung color niya, no? Bakit medyo bitter? The first time we tried it, gustuhan na namin siya. It actually tastes sweet and creamy. A little bit on the vegetal side, in my opinion. Masarap siya, especially for the price. So it can really be an everyday drink or maybe even 2 times a day. Hindi na siya masyadong ma-foam, which is good. Dapat lang because this is a lot of extra steps just to not get the foam. Worth it naman. Okay, let's move on to the next matcha powder. She's trying another technique. My review on the oat side. Maybe it's the reason why it's a little bit more bitter. Kasi nung tinry natin to with oat side, hindi siya bitter, diba? But this one is a little bit bitter. Try natin by itself yung Oatly because something's different. Pero ang pinalitan lang naman namin is the milk. Mas lasang-lasa mo yung oatiness. Kaya medyo mas na ba yung lasa. So there is less bitterness dito sa Little Matcha Studio compared to the Soba Matsu one. But similar to the other one, I can really still taste the milk Oatly. It's like the number one taste. Para lang siyang Oatly with a hint of matcha. Sobrang na-overpower niya yung matcha in my opinion. The hunt for Oatside replacement are still ongoing tayo sa auditions. Can't really comment on the taste of this one because the taste of the milk is so strong. But anyway, I really like this one the last time I made this with Oatside. A little bit more savory compared to Awarashi, which is my top one, creamy sweet everything, like dessert matcha. But this one is a little nuttier. This one is also pwede na for my taste, especially because of the price. But this is more vegetal and fresh and light. Mas nalalasahan ko yung differences ng two powders when the milk is Oatside compared to when the milk is Meiji or when it's Oatly. Basically it for today. Bye!